Your vehicle may be equipped with an intelligent rear-view mirror that provides a clear view from a camera located on the rear of the vehicle. With the ignition switch in the on position, you can switch between conventional rear-view mirror mode and intelligent rear-view mirror mode with this lever. Moving the lever in this direction switches to the conventional rear-view mirror mode. Moving the lever in this direction switches to the intelligent rear-view mirror mode. The intelligent rear-view mirror provides a wider view than standard rear-view mirrors, and it's especially effective in low-light conditions. In stormy weather, it can help provide a clear image despite snow or rain. If dirt, rain, or snow accumulates on the exterior camera, the intelligent rear-view mirror may not display objects clearly. Use of the rear washer may improve visibility, but if not, switch to the conventional rear-view mode until the camera can be cleaned. When using the LCD screen, the LED headlamps of following vehicles may appear to flicker. This is not a malfunction. When the intelligent rear-view mirror is on, settings can be adjusted by pressing the menu button. Use these buttons to select an option and press OK to select. Your selections are stored after every button release and will be enabled each time you start the vehicle. The intelligent rear-view mirror automatically changes reflection according to the intensity of the headlights of the following vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.